안녕하세요, 제 이름은 나미입니다. Hi, it's Nami and
Ziek.
it's Ziek. You are turning how old now?
5.
5. You're turning 5 years old. So we're doing some birthday hair transformation. He actually asked me for the first time in his life, oh, what do you want to do? And he said, what did you say you want to do?
Golden stripes.
Golden stripes! I have been waiting for this moment. I don't know if I ever thought that it would ever come where he asks me to do his hair, but it's here. It's here today, folks. So we're gonna cut his hair first and then do his stripes. Woohoo! I'm pinning your hair so that we can get the hair I don't want to cut out of the way. Hello! Here I'm pinning up his hair from his corner of the forehead so that we can get a nice kind of A-line through his tube block. And I'm also gonna follow his curve here behind his ear. Now I'm using a Panasonic hair razor, and this is actually the best. My mom has actually been using this model for 40 plus years of her hairstyling. So I'm gonna use a 4mm, and this is her like go-to hairstyle for boys and for men. The Korean 2-block.
You should close my eyes.
It tickles. And I like to work all the way around. I'm sorry. Okay, I need to stay still. Oh, tickles, tickles. Oh no! No! Hold on, Ziek. There's some hair falling because you're moving. We'll just vacuum it after, okay, Ziek? Yeah. What does it feel like?
It feels so ticklish and really itchy and also really spiky.
We're going to protect his little Nacho Fam merch shirt with a hair gown. Are you excited or itchy? Which one?
Itchy and decided.
Itchy.
Whoa.
Hey Siri, call mother on speaker. This is a highlighting cap and it's going to go on his head to protect his scalp while we do the highlights. Oh, how cute! You look like a little baby.
Oh, something fell.
Oops, I dropped this. Do you know what this is? What do you think it looks like?
Umbrella stick.
Oh, an umbrella stick, like a little hook that you hold the umbrella.
Yeah.
Look, it's a tiny umbrella. I don't think this kind of umbrella will shield my head. I'm gonna poke your head and pull the hair out.
Ow. I can't even see.
Put your head up and watch. This is kind of like the 90s bleached highlights. Do you remember those? Back then when everyone had those like stripes in their hair?
I guess. Kind of.
I actually had that too in like grade 5. Because I shaved his sides, I don't think I have to pull anything from the sides. I'm just mostly gonna do the areas where his hair is longer. It looks like grass right now, Ziek. You wanna see it right now?
Not yet.
Look at you! You look like grass!
I did like grass.
My trusty Schwarzkopf bleach. This is going to get us high lift, 9 level lift, and 20 volume developer. I'm gonna start applying the bleach from the center back and then pulling the hair in to the chunk of bleach. How does it feel, Ziek?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it like cold or
It
or
feels
nothing?
really hot and cold.
Hot and cold? So is it warm then?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It feels warm.
It feels warm. Must be because you have a plastic bag on your head. What do you think?
Yeah.
This is most of the ways that I actually had my hair done when I was little at the salon. My mom used to do my hair for me.
Mom, did you close your eyes when your mom just did that to you when you were a kid?
No, I think I had my eyes open.
Why?
I think I like to watch what she was doing because Harmony used to do my hair in front of the mirror so I could see myself. So I would watch what she was doing to me. It looks like grass shoots. His hair is so straight, eh? Like Galahad's hair did not behave like this. What do you think, Dad? How do you feel about Zeke's new hair?
Well, it was his idea. He wanted it, and you are doing it safely. So let's give it to him. You know.
What do you think about the parents who ask their children to wait or require their children to wait until they're older to do their hair?
Well, it really depends on your values. I mean, it could be various reasons. Partly, it could be cost.
Cultural.
Partly, it could be cultural.
That's
like,
right.
oh,
Other people, they would go to the salon and be like, what, $300 to get your hair done?
Yeah, but I think it's more they want to avoid judgment. Like, oh, you made your daughter's hair bleached or whatever it might be, highlights, colored, a different color. Then it's like you have no control over your daughter. Like it's that kind of very traditional. I would say immigrant thinking too. And it's not just Asian cultures, right? And I mean, there's validity in that because it's their cultural standpoints, right? For me, it's like, it's fine. It's not like we're forcing him to do it. It was his idea. He wanted to do it, and we have the capabilities to do it. And it's not something that's going to harm him or harm us. If anyone judges us, then screw them.
You look like a little ghost.
An eggplant?
An eggplant. We're gonna wait 40 minutes. I don't know if he'll last that long.
Can we heat it up?
Yeah, we can heat
Dyson
it up.
heater?
Yeah.
Let's do it right now.
Okay.
Let's try to make it 5 minutes. Use tin foil and then heat up the tin foil. Yeah, let's make this 40 minutes into 5.
What do you think so far? I need you to put your head over here, okay? And then we're gonna rinse it out. What do you think? Yeah?
Good so far.
Good so far? Okay. Ooh, I like it a lot, Ziek. This Good Dye Young shampoo. The suds should grab the product and pull it off.
Galahad. Good. It was tipped over.
Ready for some purple whipped cream?
Purple whipped cream.
It's not real whipped cream though.
Yeah, we can't eat this.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you've got some whipped cream on your head. Some whipped cream on your head.
Only white ones you can eat.
That's right.
Yeah.
Well, what if this was white whipped cream for your hair? Would you eat that?
No.
No? Why? It smells so delicious.
No.
No.
I only like ones that are not for your hair.
Oh.
I put a lot of salt in there for you.
I had the little one. yellow one.
Oh, it's so cute. Ziek, I really like it. What do you think, Ziek?
Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! So cute! You see that? What do you think about that?
It's good.
Do you like it? It looks so cool. I really like it, Ziek.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
ziek이 머리 다 했어요.
Golden hair.
Yeah.
Golden hair. Golden hair.
Yeah.
Golden hair. Golden.
큰애 같아, 애기가.
Mommy
Show
make.
할머니.
Mommy make. Mommy
Looks
make.
like a big. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. So handsome boy. 우와. 우와, 멋있어.
트리트먼트 있잖아. 안
네.
씻어내는 트리트먼트.
Thank you.
그거 이렇게 발라주면 이렇게
Mommy,
멋있어.
come.
아, 이쁘다.
Mommy, come.
어떻게 생각해? 잘했어?
너무 잘했네.
잘했네. 예쁘다.
어, 예쁘다.
Beautiful, beautiful. Handsome boy. Yeah.
Do you like it, Ziek? Yeah, I really like it too. I think it looks so cool. Let us know what you think of his
Natural
first
I
hair.
like it.
Natural likes it. Paul.
Bye.
Bye. Bye bye.
We want some yogurt.
Oh, okay.